Egypt, a land of mystery, history, and breathtaking wonders. We all know about the pyramids and the pharaohs, but there's so much more to Egypt that will leave you speechless. In today's video, we uncover 10 shocking facts about Egypt that you probably never knew. Stick around till the end because fact number 1 will completely blow your mind. Fact 10. The pyramids were not built by slaves. Let's start with the most debated mystery, the Great Pyramids of Giza. You've probably heard that they were built by slaves, right? Wrong! In reality, archaeologists have found evidence that the pyramid builders were actually skilled workers who were well-fed and had their own villages. They even had medical care. So the Hollywood image of slaves dragging stones under the scorching sun is completely false. Fact 9. Cleopatra wasn't Egyptian. Cleopatra, the legendary queen of Egypt, wasn't actually Egyptian. That's right, she was of Greek origin, born into the Ptolemaic dynasty, which descended from Alexander the Great's general Ptolemy. She ruled Egypt, but her ancestry was Macedonian Greek. Fact 8. Ancient Egyptians loved makeup. Egyptians weren't just great architects, they were also makeup trendsetters. Both men and women wore eye makeup, mainly using black coal and green malachite. But here's the shocking part. They didn't wear it just for beauty. Egyptians believed makeup had magical and healing properties, protecting them from evil spirits and eye infections. Fact 7. The Nile River used to flood every year. Imagine if the entire city of Cairo flooded once a year. Well, that's exactly what used to happen in ancient Egypt. The Nile River flooded annually, and instead of being a disaster, it was actually a blessing. The floodwaters left behind rich, fertile soil, making Egypt one of the most prosperous ancient civilizations. However, since the Aswan High Dam was built in the 20th century, the natural floods stopped. Fact 6. The ancient Egyptians invented the first pregnancy test. Here's a fact that will shock you. Ancient Egyptians had a pregnancy test over 3,000 years ago. Women would urinate on wheat and barley seeds, and if the seeds sprouted, it meant they were pregnant. Scientists have tested this method, and guess what? It actually works in 70% of cases. This proves how advanced Egyptian knowledge was even back then. Fact 5. The first known peace treaty in history. Did you know the world's first recorded peace treaty was signed by the Egyptians? In 1259 BCE, Pharaoh Ramses II and the Hittite Empire signed a treaty to end years of war. A copy of this treaty still exists today in the United Nations headquarters. Fact 4. Egyptians worshipped over 2,000 gods. The ancient Egyptians had one of the most complex religious systems in history. They worshipped over 2,000 gods and goddesses, each responsible for different aspects of life. The most famous ones include Ra, the sun god, Anubis, the god of the afterlife, and Osiris, the god of the underworld. Fact 3. Egyptians were the first to perform surgery. Medical science owes a lot to ancient Egypt. They were the first to perform brain surgery, set broken bones, and even had dental procedures. Archaeologists have found skulls with signs of successful brain surgery. Fact 2. The lost city of Heracleion. Did you know Egypt had a real Atlantis? The city of Heracleion, once a major port, was lost for 1,200 years under the sea until it was discovered in 2000. It was buried underwater after an earthquake, and divers found temples, gold coins, and even giant statues. Fact 1. The Great Pyramid can focus energy. And now, the most shocking fact. Scientists recently discovered that the Great Pyramid of Giza can focus electromagnetic energy in its chambers. This mysterious property has led many to believe the pyramids were more than just tombs. Could they have had a deeper purpose? Egypt is truly a land of wonder and mystery. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing history content.